So here I am, hello. Decided to turn it around this way. Walking is not that exciting of a view. You can look behind me. It's a bit of a hike back. We're in one of the cabins at the far end. I'm wearing my official safari hat today because I got my face burnt, my nose burnt, wearing a baseball hat. So I suggest on safari a wide-brimmed hat, even though you look like a bit of a safari nerd. It's a really good idea. Yes, they have zebra tuk-tuks. Here's your opportunity to go in a zebra tuk-tuk. This is a beautiful hotel. Really nice. 5-star hotel. Nice, very fancy gift shop. Fancy gift shops always mean it's going to be super reasonably priced. Ha! I don't think so. So this place is different. We stayed at a Kuba Kuba already. It's very similar. The buildings look almost the same. They're a tented lodge. Super nice, hot water, beautiful showers, big beds, hardwood floors. What else they got? Water, power, atmosphere.
This one had an outdoor shower. This one isn't.
Ah, yes. The other one had a killer outdoor shower with a view of the savannah. This one doesn't.
This one's a little less fancy.
A little less fancy, yeah. But same service. They're doing our laundry for us to be ready for 7 in the morning. Dinner. It's the Kuba Kuba lodges are all inclusive, so you get everything. Kind of nice. Hey, Tanya's out of control as usual. Just kidding. So cool here. We don't know which way to look. In the distance we see Pumbaa and Impala and gazelle, I think, or an Impala, Wort Hog, or Pumbaa, and a Wildebeest. In the morning, it's breakfast time and time to check out in Lake Manyara and see what wildlife there is around this morning. There's Tanya, both just in our obligatory green safari clothing. Morning, how are you?
Are you okay?
Yeah, everything's good. Yeah.
Luggage is ready?
Yes, luggage is ready.
I will bring you there.
Okay,
Thank you.
Good morning.
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 These padded seats. Oh, there's a Pumbaa.
It's a pretty big one.
That's a big Pumbaa. I know. I'm doing this once in a while. Morning, Dave.
Good morning, sir.
How you doing?
Good, and you?
Good. He seemed somewhat surprised to see us. It's the earliest we've been up yet. So this morning we're going to have a safari walk with a ranger in Kinigari National Park. So we're really looking forward to that. Are they open then? Okay. Hello. Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
How was your night?
Good.
You slept well?
Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, not bad.
Okay, karibu. How are you, madam? Yes, yes.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Thanks, how are you?
Good. So what are you making out here today?
Some omelets and pancakes.
Eggs and pancakes?
Yes.
Okay, good.
You're welcome.
I'll get a pancake. Yes.
One or two?
One's fine.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hard-boiled egg. Every morning before you head out on safari, the hotel that you're staying at will help you prepare a boxed lunch. They'll set up something like this, like a kind of a mini buffet with all of your lunch ingredients that you can have. Everything's from pastries to fruit to potato chips to cookies to sandwiches and everything in between.
eggs, yogurt, fish, some meat and some yogurt.
No, that's fine, thank you.
Hi, how are you?
Hey.
Welcome. This is the Maramboi Tented Lodge.
Yeah.
This is Kelsey, my friend. Bye bye.
Hey guys, thank you. If you look at what's in Tanzania, you can do anything from go to Lake Victoria, Serengeti, Rift Valley, Tanzania National Park, Lake Manyara with incredible birds, which is where we are right now. And then this is our last day. We're going to Tanzania National Park, or we're going to go for a safari. There's Tanya waiting for me, saying, "Where the heck is Dave?
Oh,
What the hell's going on?" She says. Morning, honey.
morning, sweetie.
How you doing?
I think
Good morning. I'm good. How are you? All right, let's go to safari.